Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Every Student Zone. In my last video, I have covered noun and its types in detail. Today, we will learn noun gender and noun number in detail. This is part 2 of 3. I hope you are showing interest in my way of teaching. So without wasting time, let's start. Noun gender. What is noun gender? It is defined as a classification of a noun as feminine, masculine or neuter. An example of gender is the noun he. Gender is defined as the socially constructed roles and behaviors that a society typically associates with males and females. Gender is divided into four categories. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Here are some examples like for masculine gender, father, lion, son, tiger, etc. For feminine gender, tigress, woman, lioness, etc. For common gender, like child, baby, teacher, servant, etc. And for neuter gender, like copy, book, room, paper, etc. Now, here are some rules that are used to change masculine noun into feminine noun. Rule number 1. Few masculine nouns change to feminine by adding ESS. Like author becomes authoress, host becomes hostess, Jew becomes Jewess, mayor becomes mayoress, poet becomes poetess, tutor becomes tutoress. Rule number 2. In case of some nouns, S is added many times by removing the last vowel. For example, actor becomes actress, benefactor becomes benefactress, hunter becomes huntress, princess becomes princess. Rule number 3. In few cases, the masculine noun can be changed a bit and then S is put at the end to make it feminine. For example, emperor becomes empress, governor becomes governess, duke becomes duchess, god becomes goddesses. Sorry, it's goddess. Rule number 4. In few cases, first and second word of compound masculine noun are changed. For example, manservant becomes maidservant, washerman becomes washerwoman, brother-in-law becomes sister-in-law, headmaster becomes headmistress, postmaster becomes postmistress, milkman becomes milkmaid, peacock becomes peahen, landlord becomes landlady, etc. Rule number 5. Masculine, feminine gender of few foreign words and other words are given below. They are not changed according to any special rule. Like administrator becomes administratrix, executor becomes executrix, lad becomes lass, prosecutor becomes prosecutrix, sultan becomes sultana, boar becomes saw, brother becomes sister, colt becomes filly, dog becomes bitch, buck becomes doe, earl becomes countess, monk becomes nun, herd becomes roe, horse becomes mare, etc. There are many more. Here are some more examples like Mr. becomes Miss, man becomes woman, sheep becomes Evie, bachelor becomes maid, drone becomes bee, bull becomes cow, father becomes mother, lord becomes lady, nephew becomes niece, sir becomes madam, widower becomes widow, wizard becomes witch, drake becomes duck, fox becomes vixen. Now, noun number. What is noun number? Noun number refers to singular and plural nouns. Singular noun. It denotes one place, person or thing. For example, boy, girl, table, chair, etc. Plural noun denotes more than one places, persons or things. For example, cities, boys, tables, chairs, etc. Now here are some rules for changing singular noun into plural noun. Rule number 1. Few nouns are made plural by adding s, like boy becomes boys, girl become girls, kite become kites, telephone becomes telephones. Rule number 2. Few nouns which have s, double s, ch, sh, z or x at the end are made plural by adding es at the end. For example, bus becomes buses, watch becomes watches, ass becomes asses, fix becomes fixes, church becomes churches, fox becomes foxes, switch becomes switches, canvas becomes canvases, and many more. Rule number 3. A few nouns that end in O and have consonant preceding it are made plural by adding es. For example, hero becomes heroes, mango becomes mangoes, cargo becomes cargoes, mosquito becomes mosquitoes, echo becomes echoes, etc. Here are some exceptions of Rule 3. They are dynamo becomes dynamos. Here you can see the difference in their spelling. Here only S is added, not ES. Similarly, ratio becomes ratios, solo becomes solos, memento becomes mementos. Rule number 4. Nouns ending with double vowel are made plural by adding S. For example, bee becomes bees, tree becomes trees, portfolio becomes portfolios, zoo becomes zoos, radio becomes radios. Here are all the words having two vowels at the end, so just by adding S, they become plural. Rule number 5. Nouns that end in Y and have consonant preceding Y are made plural by changing Y into IES. For example, cry becomes cries, family becomes families, city becomes cities, lorry becomes lorries, and many more. Rule number 6. Nouns that end in Y and have a vowel before Y are made plural by adding S. For example, key becomes keys, ray becomes rays, way becomes ways, toy becomes toys, valley becomes valleys, story becomes stories. Rule number 7. Nouns that end in F/FE are made plural by changing these into VES. For example, calf becomes calves, wife becomes wives, leaf becomes leaves, shelf becomes shelves, thief becomes thieves. Rule number 8. Compound nouns are made plural by adding s to the main word. For example, brother-in-law becomes brothers-in-law, bedroom becomes bedrooms, commander-in-chief becomes commanders-in-chief, maid-servant becomes maid-servants, member of parliament becomes members of parliament, etc. Rule number 9. In the following nouns, the inner vowels are changed to make them plural in form. For example, man becomes men, foot becomes feet, mouse becomes mice, goose becomes geese, tooth becomes teeth. Rule number 10. In the following nouns, en is added to them to change it into plural form. For example, child becomes children, ox becomes oxen. Now here are some typical plural nouns. Let's discuss each one by one. Some nouns of Latin origin ending in sound are singular. They are made plural by replacing by a. For example, datums is singular and data is plural. Next, some nouns of Latin origin end in but s is added at their end to change them into plural form. For example, museum is singular and the museums is plural. Next, some nouns of Greek origin end in is. They are made plural by changing is into s. For example, analysis is singular and analysis is plural. Next, few Greek words ending in on are made plural by replacing on by a. For example, phenomenon is singular and phenomena is plural. Next, a few nouns are of single letter, a digit, or some words. For example, if is singular and ifs is plural. Some nouns have changes its meaning when changing from singular to plural. For example, news seems singular and news seems plural, but both are different in meanings. Next, use of slash apostrophe with nouns. Let's see what are the uses of apostrophe with nouns. Okay, apostrophe is used in the following ways to express possession. They are: first, for living things. How do we use apostrophe for living things? Like Mohan's book, a cow's horn, a woman's purse. Next, if a plural noun ends in s/es, then s is not added while using apostrophe with the plural form. For example, boys' college, girls' school, etc. Here boys is plural, so we simply put apostrophe after s. Next rule, when noun ends in hissing sound, s is not added after apostrophe. For example, for peace's sake, for godness sake. Next, apostrophe can come only at the end of the compound nouns. For example, my son-in-law's sister, commander-in-chief's order, etc. Next, when a non-living thing is personified. For example, sun's fury, nature's love. Next, noun related to time, weight, place. For example, a day's leave, a pound's weight, etc. Next, in case of respectable nouns like court's order, at duty's call, etc. With phrases at wit's end, at a stone's throw, etc. With heavenly objects, Earth's atmosphere. Here, next is, do not use double apostrophe like my wife's secretary's mother has expired. There we are using apostrophe 2 times, but this is not a correct statement. The correct is the mother of my wife's secretary has expired. Okay. Similarly, in the next, Mrs. Sharma, the society's chairman's proposal was rejected by the members of the society. Here again we are using 2 times apostrophe. So what is the correct statement? The proposal of Mrs. Sharma, the chairperson of society, was rejected by the members of the society. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned all rules for changing nouns from masculine to feminine and from singular to plural. If not, watch the video again, you will definitely understand better. In my next video, we will do practice for better understanding on this topic. Till then, take care. Hit like and subscribe for my upcoming videos. Thanks.